MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. And today, we're gonna get inspired by an ombre gray wig with a very thick routage. So, of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from Coss Wigs right here. I have done quite a few wig reviews for them, so definitely check them out. And what is so funny about this wig is I recently was like, you know, I'm not doing any more wigs with the black roots. Like I just don't want to do it. And then I see this wig and I was like, you know, that heavy root. There's something about a heavy root. So of course, I have it. So I'm actually really excited to give this one a try because I have not seen a silver wig, or really a lot of wigs with a very heavy root. So let's just take a look at this girl with this heavy routage. Wow, I mean, look at that. That's like very striking. There was just something about it that I just fell in love with. And it says this wig is 24 inches, but this girl is longer than 24 inches. She's probably 26, maybe 28. She is very long. She also has a very slight, like, little beachy wave, like, towards the bottom, which is fine. She is heat safe up to 160 degrees Celsius, or I believe that's 340 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you do want to straighten her out, like, go for it. But she does have these very long layers right here, which is great. So let's take a look at the construction of this girl. So she has kind of light to medium colored lace right here. And then she does have your standard 2.5 inch parting right here. And then she has 2 combs right here on the side. She has 1 comb right here in the center. And then she has a medium cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Also, this wig does come with 2 wig caps, but I'll be using one of my wig caps that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the links down below for that. I do like these wig caps a lot. Oh, and then also what's really great about this wig company, Coss Wigs, I leave in here that if you leave a review on Amazon, you will get a pair of 3D mink eyelashes. Like, I'll do just about anything for a pair of 3D mink eyelashes. So I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, look at her with this heavy root. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I really do. Okay, so let's take a little look at the hairline. You know, she's just fine, but of course, as you know, plucking her out and customizing her to your liking is best for your best wig life ever. And of course, if you want to glue her down, that would be essential. And I'm probably going to add a little bit of powder directly to this parting. But let's just cut off the lace really quickly. Okay, so let's just take our little wig brush right here. I'm just going to brush her out really lightly. All right, so here she is brushed out. I do feel like she has just your average amount of hair shedding from brushing. I do feel like since she is so long that it will feel like there's more hair because the hairs are so extremely long. But speaking of length, let's show you where she is. Yeah, so I feel like maybe she is like 25 inches because 24 is right here on me, my belly button. So maybe she is in the 24. She just seems extra long, like extra. Maybe I just haven't had a long wig on my head in a very long time. But look at this cool ombre. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think about this? It's just so striking and like sultry. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I take back what I said about not wanting any more black rooted Wigs. This is great. Of course, so here she is down the center, probably in her glory, her best state ever. But let's switch the parting and see if she gives a different look. So I'm first gonna part her on my usual left eyebrow, which is the good eyebrow. This isn't bad. This is definitely cute. Definitely could rock her, although I'm really digging the down the center kind of look for her. So let's move her to the right eyebrow to see if she gives a different look. Oh, you know what? I kind of like it on this eyebrow. I feel like it just lays a little bit better, which is fine. I will definitely showcase the misfit eyebrow with this wig. Okay, let's move her back down the middle again. Oh yes, just really digging this color, the gradation. I haven't really seen anything like it. So this wig is from Coss Wigs right here. Definitely check it out and let me know if you have this wig or if you have another very heavy rooted wig. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a heavy rooted silver gray wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we